Hi, welcome back to Circuits with Angel. Today, we'll be going over the interface of Tinkercad after you sign in. First, we have 3D designs, which is the thing you're going to be using for 3D printing. Next is circuits. I have a lot of things here because I use it a lot. Next is code blocks. I don't use this very much right now, but maybe later I will learn it and make a video about it. And then lessons. This is from the Tinkercad site. I don't use it. To make a design, you press Create New Design. And if you want to edit an existing one, you would press Tinker This. But we're not going to do that, and we're going to create a new design. This is the work plane. Imagine it's like a table and you put all your stuff on this. There's this copy and paste, duplicate and repeat, and delete. You also have undo and redo. Here we have this cube, which shows you the views of the work plane for an object. I'll click the top, and that's the top view. Click the arrow, and this is the right view. There's nothing here, so it's a flat plane. And you can see bottom, and then front, and back at top. To rotate using your mouse, press right mouse button and drag to move it around. See that the cube also moves with your rotation. Home view centers you to where you started. And then Fit All View zooms to fit an object on the work plane. Zoom in and zoom out, and to switch to flat view. I don't really use that, but imagine when you switch to flat, your object is like 2D and looks weird. I'll show you. I'm going to switch back to normal view. So you already saw I put a cube down. To do that yourself, you click on the box or any other shape, and left click and place it on the work plane. This is a cylinder, again, left click and place on the work plane. This is a sphere, again, left click and place on the work plane. Basic shapes is the category where you have the most basic shapes: cubes, spheres, pyramids, and cones. Next is design starters, which is pre-designed. Some are made by other people. If you want to use it, left click and place. Here I chose one, the present, and put it down. Next is creatures and characters. Again, these are pre-designed by Tinkercad to help you design a creature or a character. Here I chose the lucky cat. It's pretty big. I'll show you how to change the size in another video. For now, we're moving on to vehicles and machines. Again, this is made by Tinkercad, and pretty much vehicle components to make your own out of these shapes. I'll choose a rocket. It's pretty big, but okay, it's there. Next is structures and scenery, which is like mountains, buildings, trees for making scenes. Next is hardware, which is basically what we called balls and joints. If you want to make an articulated or movable connected parts, you use the ball and joints to snap them together. Next is electronic parts, which is all the most common electronic parts in it. I only use this ever to see the size of the part and my design together, to see if it'll fit inside. It's good for when you need to make boxes or casings for your electronic parts. Next is fun and games, which is seasonal designs. Like right now it's Halloween. Next we have everyday objects, which is exactly how it sounds, like toilet paper or a pencil. Next is featured collections, which is things made by people, or Tinkercad that comes in a collection. It's pretty cool and has couches and tables and other things. Next is shape generators. It has random shapes, which you can edit to generate unique shapes. So here I'll click on the house, and then you choose the elements of the house with the drop-down menu. Then it will generate the house based on your specifications. So I'll just randomly choose some values and you'll see that the house actually generates automatically. This option is pretty cool if you have an idea of what you want to make and there's an automatic design generated for it. Example is this house, and if you go further, you'll find a snowflake generator that lots of things. And that's it for the interface of Tinkercad. Just remember that to place an object, you left click and place it on the work plane. To view the part, you can right click on any part of the window and drag to see the different angles. If you want to see a specific plane, click on the box and it will automatically snap to that view. Next video, I'll be showing you how to edit the size of the shapes and what they mean when you input the numbers down in real life. Thank you for watching and see you next time.